Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my podcast, Heart to Heart with Maya. I hope you liked my previous content and you have watched my previous podcast and you have enjoyed it. Today, I have a special guest over here who is a very good friend of mine, who I actually call Genie in a Bottle for me. He's a famous author. Also, he is a famous podcaster as well, which has been admired by a lot of people. So let's welcome Mr. Fahim Bhatt. Hi, Fahim.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you, my genie?
That's a great statement, Genie.
Yeah, you're my genie in the bottle.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
How was your journey over here from Kashmir to Delhi?
It was good.
Yeah, that was good. You had fun?
Yeah, it was very early flight.
Ah.
So like ठंड थी वहाँ पे काफी.
Of course, of course.
That
And
is fine.
Delhi is still warm.
Yeah, I had some friends along with me, so it was easy.
Okay, that's lovely. तो फहीम ऑब्वियसली लोग आपको काफी समय से देख रहे हैं और आपको और अच्छे से जानना चाहते हैं, ठीक है? तो it was pleasure for me having you over here.
It was my pleasure.
So let's start from the beginning. How was your childhood like? What were you like in your childhood?
Average, very average kid.
Very average. Yeah.
If you would go back in time and meet my friends and tell them that he has whatever little he has right now, हंसेंगे वो.
Really?
No, but even my mother did not believe that this all will be there. I thought when I was eighth or ninth class that I would end up becoming a salesman or something. Yeah, I wasn't very bright kid.
Okay. So how did you think about becoming an author then?
Life turned. Yeah, once I did my 10th, I went into this it's called JE. I don't recall the proper pronunciation of these
Okay.
things anymore. But it was JE. It's like you do your 10th and then you move on to this BTech degree. It's like junior engineering.
Okay.
And then you have to do 3 years of BTech along with. So it was 6 years total. You don't have to do 10th and 11th and 12th.
Okay, so you didn't have to do
No,
that.
so
Okay.
I went through that process and it was tiresome. Like when I went to the college, in between that time, there was this entrance time and all. When you have to prepare for this exam, I had a lot of time. And all my friends had gone to 11th class, right? So I was free all along. Like I was free and depressed,
Oh.
right? So I went towards books, I read them, loved them. They changed my life. I thought of writing a book.
Okay.
In between, when I went to college, nahi jama mujhe yaar. It wasn't a thing for me.
नहीं समझ में आया.
No, I couldn't write. It wasn't a thing for me, honestly. I tried a lot to cope up there. Like I still remember when I was fined because I didn't go for a long time. Me and my father waited for that principal to remove strike it off and let me give the exam. We waited for him for a few hours,
अच्छा.
and he had me and my father standing.
Oh.
Right, and in my head I was like कि नहीं अब तो मैं degree खत्म करके I'll go ahead write a book. The next day I went, I was like, oh bloody hell, 12 o'clock I was in the school, I was in that class. 12 o'clock, I still remember. I stood up, I closed my, I was like, not for me, we'll figure it out. And then I went out. It was a foolish decision. I must tell you that I don't encourage people to do something like that. It worked out for me. I'm not sure for how many people it worked out. So yeah.
So how old were you when you published your first book?
I was 18.
You were 18?
Yeah.
Oh, that was such a young age.
I mean, I hadn't wrote a very good book, so like it was a juvenile type fiction.
But still.
It made me who I am. I'm not gonna disrespect it. It wasn't a great piece of literature.
Okay.
Like you can't expect an 18-year-old
Of
coming
course.
from the place I belong to write some great literature. But it was a start. And it was start to a fire that led me to start my own publishing house. By 19, I had a company. I had a bunch of things going around me. So, okay, life has been it has been a difficult and different journey. I lost my childhood. I must tell you that. Like in
Okay.
that teenage type. I didn't have that.
Okay.
I had a lot of respect from people.
Okay.
I had a bunch of money.
Okay.
But I lost that. Like my good friends, they couldn't cope up with me because I was moving very fast in life. I was here and there, here and there.
Everywhere.
There were too many things happening. We launched like 128 books.
Wow.
It's been a journey.
Wow. So on that note, I want to ask you something. So obviously, being 18, that's still young, that's a teenage, right?
It is.
Did it hit your mind somewhere कि हाँ कि यार मैं तो 18 साल का हूँ और मैं तो अभी से इतना मैंने कमा लिया, मैं तो सबसे बड़ा बन गया, कहीं दिमाग घुमा?
I've said this before as well, yes, a little. What happens when you put a kid in a candy store and tell him that do what you like?
I want it all.
It's like that. Like when you get attention, and it's destructive attention, I must say.
Of course.
Like when you're 18, you really can't make good judgments. Trust me, you can't. And then when you get attention, that is massive, is destructive attention. And so then you just like to grab onto whatever comes. But when God takes his toll on you, like he makes you fall steep down. So I went through that phase as well, where I lost some dear people.
Okay.
So
Did it
that-
left an impact on you somehow?
Yeah, of course. I mean, ठीक है ना, फिर जिंदगी थोड़ी हल्की हो गई, रुक सा गया मैं बहुत भाग रहा था. I was jumping from one thing to other. I was getting a lot of opportunities. I was getting a lot of media attention.
Achha.
And back in 2019, when I had my Instagram verified and Twitter, it was a big thing. If you remember those days, it wasn't paid. So like it was a big thing. तो ठीक है, मतलब था, दिमाग में था.
ठीक है, लेकिन जिंदगी में ठहराव आना एक जरूरी है.
I made the mistakes that affected me, not my parents, not my dear ones.
Okay.
I made the mistakes that affected me massively.
Do you still apply those lessons in your life now? Somewhere?
I think life changes, man. Like it really changes. Like what I used to think then, कि हाँ मैंने ये सोचा, something or the other thing happened. It changes constantly. You have to keep learning and cope up with life. And honestly, like you reach to that point where you are like, ठीक है, सह लेंगे यार.
So you were an author, then you had your own publishing house.
Yes.
तो उसके बाद ये पॉडकास्ट में आने का कहाँ से सोचा?
I started my company called Liber Books. It still is. Today is what, 12 November, right? 2024. It still is what I want to do in my life.
Okay.
And a few days ago, I took some really hard decisions that broke my heart actually, and I wasn't probably able to sleep a few days. Like,
Okay.
matlab, it's something you can hear. A few days I couldn't sleep, right? But it's the truth. I actually could not sleep. The bothersome things like what I have done and what has happened overall, it's hard to accept the reality. But yes, to come to your point, I started that company. I went to influencers. They were charging a lot of money to promote it. So we had an internal discussion.
Okay.
It was like, okay, I'll start something of my own.
Okay.
I'll get famous myself. And it just worked out.
And
for
it
me.
just
It
blew
again
up.
worked out for me.
It
Yes.
blew up for you.
Yeah, it worked out. I got again very lucky.
You have a huge family on Instagram.
Yes.
You have a huge fan following on Instagram.
You've done one reel with me.
I have, which blew up.
I know.
Which
I
blew
remember you
up.
called me and you were telling me every minute it was 100K.
Yeah, every minute. Even till today, too. Even till today, it's been blowing up. I still get my family members and my friends keep sharing कि हाँ भाई इसने share की, इसने इसके ऊपर reel बना दी. आज तक मुझे उस reel के ऊपर sharings आ रही हैं.
And I'm so happy.
Me too. That's why I call you my genie in bottle.
Oh, come on. I would like this part to be edited. Let's be honest. I'm not-
No.
Okay.
So since you have a huge family and you have reached over, I think, 500 million on views on Instagram.
I have.
You have? You never checked it?
I used to check it
You
a lot
used to
back
do-
then, but then
Ah.
it became a thing. Okay.
So how does it feel to be an achiever like that, having such a fan following like
Do you know what's the funny part? Here's my phone. There's no Instagram on it. Yeah.
So,
I don't use it anymore. I mean, there are people who take care of it now for me. Very trustworthy people. But
Yeah.
matlab, yaar, I'll tell you one thing honestly. Like, there comes a time in your life when you need a break. I really need a break right now. In
Okay.
a sense that I have been getting a lot of attention, right? I get a lot of opportunities to promote things. Like if I would have wanted to promote betting apps, I would have earned a lot of money, like insanely a lot. I don't know if you remember. I think once I showed you an email which was there. It was a huge amount for the betting app, and I refused.
I remember seeing that.
It
yes,
was a
of
huge
course.
amount.
Yeah.
It was something. It was a lot. So I refused it, right? And Instagram is a very weird place. Like, I must tell you that. For me, it's a weird
Why
place
is that?
now. In a sense that, like, it's an illusion, man. There are just too many people watching you. There's just too many people saying so many things. Like, ठीक है, like you can't cope up with everything. In a sense that not look, you must have seen our reel, right? You would notice that there wasn't a single bad comment, right?
Yeah.
So there's too much of love. मुझसे अब मोहब्बत नहीं चली जाती है, तो मैं भाग जाता हूँ. And not that I'm being disrespectful. It's just that I can't handle it anymore.
Okay.
In a sense that, like, I like to stay in mountains now. I don't like to go to office too much these days.
So you like having quiet time.
I like being by myself.
Yeah.
So I use it pretty less.
So do you go out in the mountains, sit alone, think over
more-
things?
a lot,
Yeah.
a lot.
A lot, yeah.
I like to sit in my room as well alone. In
Oh,
a
yeah.
sense that if somebody comes in my room, it just bothers me. I like to be alone on my own. Like I like to be on my own.
Okay, fair enough. So talking about when you said there's a lot of love on Instagram that we've been getting, right? So I remember you did a questionnaire one time, and there was a lot of love from a lot of girls,
Yeah.
right? So how do you handle that?
No, I ignore it.
You ignore it,
I ignore.
yeah? Does it affect your personal life?
ठीक है, मतलब to that extent where, like, it used to get to my head a lot initially, but it was fun.
Okay.
Initially it was fun. It's
Okay.
like you can go ahead and brag about it, right? But then you reach that point where you're like, it's a thing now. You would like to walk. Like when I came in the flight, we had to say there was this person sitting next to me, and they were trying to be nice to me, right? In a sense that asking me for my number and all, whatever.
Yeah.
Like, just trying to be nice.
Yeah.
Not everybody has bad intentions, right?
Yeah.
But I'm at that stage in my life anymore that I wouldn't trust you.
Okay.
Just leave me alone. I'm fine.
I see.
Yeah.
Does it follow like that due to maybe some kind of a heartbreak in your life?
No, but not necessarily heartbreak in the sense of love, but heartbreaks can be of multiple.
It could be
types.
anything. It could be multiple
Yeah,
things.
Yeah,
anything.
multiple things.
Yeah.
Be it the people that you trust, be it the people that you want to build with things,
Yeah.
or be it the people that you work together and all. So in that context, yeah, a lot of it. And I've learned it a very hard way that people leave. At
Yeah.
the end of the day, people leave.
So
You do whatever you can. I've learned this the very hard way, and it's the truth, honestly. Like, you do what you can.
okay,
The people that have to go will go.
they will go.
You cannot stop them.
Yeah.
I tried stopping them. When I extend my arm and ask them to stop, they don't. They walk away. Because they don't want to stay.
Yeah.
When people make their mind, they make their mind. You can't
Yeah.
make anyone stay.
You can't make anyone stay unless they want to, basically.
Yeah, I mean, theek hai. I'll tell you one thing though. I've gotten a little kinder though.
Okay.
Initially, I was a lot arrogant.
Okay.
Like, I had sort of, it had gotten into my head, ki, theek hai, like, I'm getting too much attention now. I'm somebody. I would listen to a hard rap music, drive the car in a way where, like, I would feel like I'm the king of this place, right? And like I would go out and I'll have the room to myself, right? Like everybody will talk to me and a bunch of other things. But now, if I go in a room, like I had to come here, right? Do you remember I told you that I talked to my management and
Yeah.
like and they told you that we have to bring three people with him or else
Yeah.
he's not coming.
Yeah.
So it's that bad now. I can't travel alone. Not because I'm famous or something. It's just my own personal issues. I just
Yeah.
I like to stay to myself, or I like to be in the people that I believe.
That you believe in, that, you can trust.
That won't hurt me. So yeah, in that context, yes.
तो आपने कभी ऐसे देखा है कि जैसे लोग अगर जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, कभी ऑब्वियसली जिंदगी में अगर कोई आता है तो वो कभी ना कभी जाता भी है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम.
Yes.
Did it leave any impact on you?
A huge. You know what kills a person? It is always the memories that kill a person. I think you can deal with anybody going. As long as, if you don't have memories, now you can survive. But when you have bloody memories, oh my God, they come, they kill you inside, and you see reflection of others because of memories. Like when let's say I'm with you and I do my podcast in a certain way, you do it in a certain way,
Of course.
and I'm not liking this for a moment. I would go back and think how I do it better. So similarly, when you're with someone and now you want to sort of change your life, right? But then those memories come and bite you. They tell you कि in the past it was better, है ना? वो एक कहावत है कि जो ला हासिल चीज होती है ना, उसकी तलब बहुत ज्यादा होती है, उसकी तलब मार देती है सच में।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
और मैं समझता हूँ कि अगर वो हासिल हो गई तो फिर क्या?
फिर क्या? गॉड
It's a
नोस।
question, right?
फिर
God knows.
एक अपने आप में सवाल है फिर तो।
है ना? But I also believe that love is enough. If you love someone, just one person, and if you really love them, it's enough.
It's more than enough.
Way more than enough.
Yeah.
It's enough to spend 7 lifetimes, if there is any. Other lifetime, yeah, it's more than enough.
तो does it affect your daily life जो आपके, क्योंकि अभी आप डेली वही बात है बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलते हो, तो जैसे वो लोग जो आपकी जिंदगी से चले गए या फिर जिन्होंने आपका ट्रस्ट ब्रेक किया, ठीक है, तो अभी कैसे आप उसको, कभी डर लगता है कि हाँ कि यार इस बंदे से बात करूंगा या इस बंदी से बात करूंगा तो ऐसा तो नहीं हो जाएगा?
I stay to myself now.
You
That's what
stay
I'm
to
saying.
yourself too
Yeah,
now.
like I'm at that phase where I have my own comfortable people that I'm with. I trust them, and like I stay to myself.
So how do you connect with people? क्योंकि आपके जैसे देखा जाए बहुत सारी फैन फॉलोइंग है ना, तो बहुत इजीली आप लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं, तो हाउ डू यू
No,
कनेक्ट
yeah,
विद, हाउ
there's
डू
no,
यू?
there is no, come on, there's no trick. Trust me. Now you're in this journey, right? You'll understand it yourself. You don't do anything. The least you can do is say the quotes right. And if they find it relevant, because we are all going through something. मतलब हर कोई बोलता है कि मतलब हमारे जैसा ही है, है ना? We're all. Why do you think people related to you? The 10 million people saw it. Because maybe they're going
Maybe
through the
they're
same thing.
going through something
You're
similar.
just the voice now. You're not something different. You're one of them. It's just that you gave it. There's a saying that some people read the books and some people write it.
Write it. Be the writer.
Man, that's up to you. Being a writer is very costly.
I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. You probably know much better than I do about it.
Yeah, but it's okay. I mean,
Worth it.
yeah.
Yeah.
People don't know how much it takes to make all this happen.
Yes.
It's a
of
lot.
course. It's a lot. Yeah, it takes a lot. So for him, everyone knows you're very close to your mother.
Mm.
Hello?
Yes.
How is she right now?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
So obviously, like आपके काम की वजह से आपको काफी travel करना पड़ता होगा.
No, I to avoid it now. As
You avoid
know.
it now.
Like I have lost a bunch of brand deals.
तो यूजुअली जब स्टार्टिंग में आपको उनसे इतना दूर रहना, आपको हमेशा बैक एंड हेड कहीं ना कहीं चलता रहता होगा ना?
It's funny that me and my mother speak very less, but like very less.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we speak less.
How about your father?
Oh, not at all.
Not at all.
No.
No.
He and me are not good friends.
Oh.
I like obviously loves me, but
Of course he
I am
loves
the
you.
guy who's only called when there is trouble.
Oh.
And my mother is for her. For my father, the trouble can be the outside world, and for my mother, it can be household work. That
Okay.
But with my mother, she is more than a friend.
First, that's a trust because they know that
Ah.
you're there. कि हाँ phone किया बेटा घर आ जा, and she knows you will be there.
No, my mother though doesn't even ask, knows, woes. Nahi,
हाँ.
there's a thing. Ke, kidhar?
किधर?
Idhar?
घर आ.
If she calls me right now, I'll walk away.
Yeah.
I'll finish this and walk away.
Yeah, no, of course, your mother and parents are something कि हाँ कि वो.
For me, mother is more.
Yeah.
But ठीक है, मतलब everyone to each its own. But for me, my mother has blindly trusted me. Like I bloody get emotional about it, but she has trusted me like anything.
That's-
Anything. And not now. अभी तो anybody trusts me, है ना? अभी तो if I'll tell you कि come on, let's go there, I'll make you meet this many people. Let's do 10 podcasts a day. You wouldn't find it so मतलब crazy. ठीक है, कर सकते हैं. But she trusted me when I had nothing. When I was about to drop out from the school, college, she trusted me then. And उसको भी नहीं पता थी क्यों हाँ बोली यार. चलता है, it's a journey.
Wow.
I have lived a very different life. I must admit, the place I come from is different, and the kind of life I have led, very less people have led such life.
Okay.
There at least. So, ठीक है. Now I'm going a lot into essential things.
Okay.
Yeah, I am. Initially, I was like focused onto a lot of startups and all, and still that's my passion. But abhi to I'm going a lot into essential things. I'm investing here and there, something little into essential things.
Okay.
So
But
I'm changing my. way
you're
of
keeping yourself mostly at home now, right, with your mom?
No.
No?
I mostly stay in my office.
Okay.
Sometimes in the studio. and most of the times into the places that I go to, like some friends cafe and bunch of other places, which are like good places, and to my room mostly. Yeah. But I don't meet a lot of people now. Earlier I used to meet a lot of people. There used to be a lot of people in my office, but now though I meet very less people. I've in fact cut my staff short as well.
Okay.
I'm just keeping the low work rate because we have worked a lot.
Yeah.
हमने बहुत काम कर तो not that I should stop too much, but ठीक है मतलब I'm at that stage when I'm just अब मैं समेट रहा हूँ चीजों को क्योंकि बहुत सारी बिक्री हुई है अभी I don't know if you remember I have a lot of back shoots as well that are pending and I don't post a lot.
I remember you telling me that.
I don't post a lot. So abhi to I told you I don't this is surprising I don't have WhatsApp in my I don't even have WhatsApp in my phone, bro. So like
I know I was telling you to share something with
this
you. You're like, I don't have the WhatsApp. I was like, okay, wow.
I am just like on my own.
So
And you wouldn't know where I am. Like today I'm be here, someday I'll be somewhere. You wouldn't catch me.
you have very, very busy and hectic schedule,
No,
right?
no. I
It
keep
sounds
myself-
like you do. So I want to ask you something. How does it affect your love life?
I don't have a love life.
And why is that? Not ready for it?
No, who isn't ready for love? Come on. It's love should be ready for you, not you can be ready for love. Should accept you. Maybe it hasn't accepted. Or maybe I like to say so. I think too many people ruin something. Right?
Yeah.
Whatever little we have, we keep it first. It's better that way. When too many eyeballs fall on you, scares me.
It scares you.
I keep everything away. You wouldn't know me.
Again, about the trust part, है ना?
ट्रस्ट ही नहीं सिर्फ मतलब वही है ना फिर like you reach to that point where like even I'm sure it's just not me maybe you're just giving me a chance to speak about it here right now है ना but it's not just me it'll be you as well in a sense that you must have reached that point in your life कभी where you would also be like ठीक है अभी थोड़ा रुक जाते हैं so I worked a lot so I deserve this much time for myself
Yeah.
I have enough for now ठीक है
तो अभी फोकस खुद के ऊपर है.
खुद के ऊपर भी नहीं I'm just ignoring the reality
Just ignoring the reality. So Fahim, coming to the end of our journey today, everybody, of course, we all know that you have a lot of love for books, right? Since you are an author and a publisher and you love poetry too.
I love poetry yeah.
Would you mind sharing something on
at
this
all.
platform today, please?
I would love to
It will be an honor.
कि मैंने पलट कर भी देखा था पर तुम जा चुके थे इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ कहता तुझे कुछ और लोग समझा चुके थे
Wow. One more.
तेरी मोहब्बत की तलब थी इसीलिए हाथ फैला दिए वरना हम तो अपनी जिंदगी के लिए भी दुआ नहीं करते
Wow. Last one.
ये कहते हैं कि जब दवाइयां महंगी हो जाती है तब लोग तावीजों पे भरोसा करने लगते I know that these will go on to reel so please share some of yours.
तो कहते हैं कि अकेले खुश रहना सीखो पता नहीं कौन कब अकेला छोड़ दे.
That is so true. Give me one more.
तो कहते हैं कि जब भी रुकने का मन करे तो एक बार सोच लेना कि शुरू क्यों किया था.
बिल्कुल सच
तो फहीम थैंक यू सो मच आज यहाँ मेरे शो पे आने के लिए. आई रिमेम्बर कि यू प्रॉमिस्ड मी कि आप जब भी मैं पॉडकास्ट करूंगी अगर कभी करूंगी तो आप आएंगे एंड यू फुलफिल्ड योर प्रॉमिस.
Oh,
And
it's a pleasure.
thank you so much for being here. And thank you so much for giving me a chance for presenting you so other people can
No,
get
thanks
to.
for you to give me a chance to, because it's quite awkward for me now because I usually sit on the other side.
Yeah.
And now I ask a lot of people a lot of questions, so I don't even know if I did very well. It was like a hard conversation.
You did great. You did great, and I'm sure the audience is gonna love you as usual. Thank you so much for coming, and I hope you guys liked our journey today, and you got to know more about Fahim. Hopefully, you will love what we are doing and enjoying our podcast. Looking forward for your comments, and please, if you love it, please follow, like, share, and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you.